Number 4. WORX WG520. Ready to simplify your yard cleanup routine? Meet the WORX WG520, the best corded leaf blower on the market. It offers a powerful 600 CFM airflow capacity, perfect for tackling both big and small jobs with ease. Plus, with a lightweight one-handed design, you can breeze through your tasks without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the WORX WG520 is its adjustable power settings, allowing you to customize the airflow to suit your needs. This flexibility makes it a versatile tool for all your yard maintenance needs. Additionally, the corded design means you never have to worry about recharging batteries, so you can keep working until the job is done. While the WORX WG520 excels in power and convenience, it's not without its drawbacks. The loud noise level and difficulty in toggling the power switch one-handed may be minor annoyances for some users. However, these are easily outweighed by the overall performance and value this leaf blower provides. After 6 months of testing, the WORX WG520 continues to impress with its durability and effectiveness. It's a reliable companion for fall cleanup and beyond. If you're in the market for a corded leaf blower that offers power, convenience, and versatility, the WORX WG520 is the clear choice. Take your yard maintenance to the next level with the WORX WG520. You won't be disappointed. Still searching for the perfect leaf blower? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.